This video is for you if you have mature skin and your under eye makeup creases, you powder it, it still creases. We're going to solve that problem today. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. You can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, and I'm here every week with super simple makeup tips for mature skin that anyone can do. I'm 58 and I have oily skin. I know a little bit about trying to set my under eye and not wanting it to crease. I have an entire video with a ton of great tips for you. If you really want a beautiful concealer application on your mature skin, you can watch that video here. This is just going to be a really quick video. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply all of my foundation and concealer, then we'll get into the tip. This is step number one. My foundation and my concealer are on. It does not matter which brand you use, but if we're friends, you know mine was super affordable. Take a setting spray. All I'm going to do is I'm going to set my foundation and my concealer. I will finish the rest of my makeup in a few minutes. And I'm going to take a small makeup brush. After I spray my face with the setting spray, I'm going to take this makeup brush and just tap it all over. You'll see, and we'll talk about it. While the setting spray is wet, I'm going to take this makeup sponge and just tap this all over, really concentrating in my problem areas, in those areas that generally will crease or separate. Under my eyes, around my nose and my mouth, above my eyes. So in this step, all I have done is I just set my foundation and my concealer. I've got a really great base for all day makeup. The sponge picked up any excess makeup, decreasing any extra product that can misbehave later on in the day. Now I have a really good base for my makeup. If you wanted to stop right here, you absolutely could. But if you have oily skin like I do, and you like to take that shine down a little bit, the next step is what's going to take the shine down with the powder, but still let us have creaseless makeup. On to step two. All of my makeup is on except for mascara and lipstick. I'm going to take my setting powder. Incidentally, if you want to be able to set your under eye without using powder, that will be my next video. So if you have skin that is drier than mine and you absolutely do not want to use powder, look for that video. I'm going to take my setting powder. I'm using the Morphe Bacon set, and I usually use the brightening pink. I'm going to put a good amount of powder on here and just really work it into this little makeup puff. Spray my face again. And while my face is dry, while my face is wet, I'm going to go in and just tap. I didn't add anything more to the puff, and I'm just tapping where I would normally want to powder. Now my makeup is set for the entire day. It's powdered. I won't get really shiny. Let me finish my makeup. Let me know if you're going to give this a try. But like I said, if you don't like setting powder, maybe your skin is a little bit drier than mine is, look for my next video where I'm going to set that under eye area with no setting powder. But let's be honest just for a second. I'm 58. I have wrinkled, textured skin. That makeup needs a place to go. So I do this tip every single time I apply my makeup, but sometimes you sweat. You just have a really long day and things happen. That's when I take my clean ring finger and just tap. And I let the warmth of my finger just melt that makeup back together. And it's a super simple way to just have it be seamless all over again. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope you'll like and subscribe. And for more super simple makeup tips for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.